least 15 years of age and no longer subject to compulsory schooling in terms of any law. 2. A person who employs a child in contravention of subsection 1 commits an offense. 45. Medical examinations. The minister may, after consulting the commission, make regulations relating to the conduct of medical examinations of children in employment. Section 90, subsection 3 protects the confidentiality of any examination conducted in terms of this act. Prohibitions. It is an offense to assist an employer to employ a child in contravention of this act, or B. discriminate against a person who refuses to permit a child to be employed in contravention of this act. 44. Evidence of age. In any proceedings in terms of this act, if the age of an employee is a relevant factor for which insufficient evidence is available, it is for the party who alleges that the employment complied with the provisions of this